Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of drinking clove tea. Many people are becoming more interested in different types of teas in their daily lives, and clove tea is really an inexpensive, accessible option. A lot of people already have cloves at home, and it can bring many health benefits. I'll explain that to you. Stay until the end, because you won't want to miss it. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you're going to love this channel. So go ahead, subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell to get updates. I post new videos every day, and you're going to love them. Let's get started by talking more about clove tea. If you love videos where I talk about teas and their health benefits, go ahead and leave a like, because I'll come back and make more videos about natural teas with health benefits. And let me know down below in the comments if you've ever had clove tea and which tea you usually drink most often in your daily life. There are two teas that I really love to drink, chamomile tea and hibiscus tea. They're my favorites. I want to know what your favorite tea is. So let's start talking more about the benefits of clove tea. Clove, which is what you will primarily use to prepare the tea, contains a variety of truly interesting natural compounds, and these possess a significant antioxidant effect. One of them is eugenol, which is a natural compound that has an inherently antioxidant effect on our body. And clove tea also naturally contains beta-carotene, which gives cloves that orange-brownish color. So, we already know that beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant in our body, bringing many benefits. Many people would like to consume more antioxidants, but those supplements are so expensive, and foods rich in antioxidants like berries and things like that are so costly. Clove tea can be a very interesting option for you and much more affordable. Remember that antioxidants have a very beneficial effect on our bodies because they help neutralize free radicals and the damage caused by free radicals to our cells, which can lead to premature aging, actual diseases, or even the acceleration of the progression of some medium and long-term chronic illnesses. So adding more antioxidants is very interesting, and clove tea can be a good option. Clove can also be very beneficial for your liver health. Some people, especially those who have an inflamed liver, fatty liver, or hepatic steatosis, are more interested in natural foods they can consume daily to improve liver health. Some scientific studies have indeed found that regularly drinking clove tea can significantly improve overall liver function, effectively reduce various inflammation markers, and substantially decrease harmful oxidative stress within the body. So it can be a great option if you're looking to improve your liver. Of course, it's not going to work miracles. There's no point in drinking clove tea if you still want to eat fried foods, lots of sugar. Remember that I have a video here on the channel where I talk more about the liver. There's already a playlist covering everything about the liver, where I discuss fatty liver, inflamed liver, the signs of fat in the liver, and best of all, how to try to improve this through your diet. I'll leave that down below in the description for you. And if you already have any liver problems, any issues with your liver, and you're worried, wanting to know whether or not you should drink clove tea, always ask your doctor or your nutritionist who is following your case. Remember that this video is for informational purposes only. Clove tea can also help keep your blood sugar levels more stable. It contains some compounds that can help improve glucose uptake by the cells, may help enhance insulin sensitivity, and can even improve or increase insulin production. So if you're looking to improve your blood sugar levels, drinking clove tea could be a good option for you. Always remember not to sweeten it, because in that case you would be adding sugar, even if it's honey, brown sugar, or demerara sugar. Ideally, you should drink it plain. Or, if it's absolutely essential for you, add a few drops of stevia, which is a sweetener that doesn't affect blood sugar levels and is non-caloric. Because those other sweeteners, honey, brown sugar, will cause an insulin spike. So there's no point in drinking a tea that helps improve this if you add sugar to it. That's an important detail. And once again, if you already have diabetes, if you use any medication to lower your blood sugar levels, or even insulin, always talk to your nutritionist or doctor first to see if it's recommended and what would be the best time to take it. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Clove tea can also improve bone density, making your bones stronger and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, osteopenia, and even fractures. That's because it's rich in manganese, a very important nutrient for metabolism and the maintenance of bone mass. And eugenol can also help keep bones stronger. So if you struggle with weak bones or osteoporosis, adding clove tea might be a good option for you. Also, remember that I have a video here on the channel talking more about non-dairy sources of calcium, which are interesting for people who already suffer from osteoporosis or osteopenia to add to their diet. I'll leave that video down below for you as well. Some studies have also found the beneficial and protective effects of clove on the stomach, even improving conditions in people who have gastritis or even ulcers. These studies found that the essential oil naturally present in clove can help increase the production of mucus, which lines your stomach, thus preventing problems related to excessive acidity and the attack of this acid, especially on the stomach wall itself. If you are already undergoing treatment for gastritis or ulcers, the idea is not for you to abandon your treatment, especially since it is a serious treatment that should be completed and followed under medical supervision. However, clove tea can help you in a complementary way. If in doubt, ask your doctor. Another interesting detail is that clove tea has antibacterial properties, and it can kill some bacteria that are harmful to our bodies. So this can be useful even for those who want to improve their breath, the bacterial population in their mouth and stomach, thereby reducing the amount of harmful bacteria. In fact, there are some people who make clove tea and gargle with it, or swish it around in their mouth and spit it out afterwards, precisely because clove has that flavor. Very aromatic. It really gives a more pleasant aroma. For those who suffer from bad breath or have some issue related to mouth odor, it can help in this regard as well. Not only because of its aromatic qualities, but also because it can reduce the population of harmful bacteria. Of course, bad breath should always be investigated. If you have bad breath, it could be a stomach problem, it could be an issue in your mouth, it could be a cavity, bacterial plaque. These all need to be treated by a dentist. So, it's very important that you visit your dentist regularly, and if you already go to the dentist regularly and they've confirmed that there's nothing wrong with your teeth but you still have bad breath, it's important to see a gastroenterologist because it could be a problem with your stomach. I have a video where I talk more about bad breath. I'll leave it in the description for you. Clove tea is very aromatic, it's very fragrant, and many people like to drink it not only on its own, but also to add flavor to other teas. So, for example, there are people who like to drink green tea but find it too bitter, so they add 2 or 3 cloves to infuse together to add fragrance and improve the taste, making it easier to drink without sugar. But it's also really good, for example, clove tea with orange peel tea. You put the orange peel together with the cloves and it's delicious. With apple peel too, basically, whatever you would do with cinnamon tea, you can do with clove tea, and it will work just the same. In fact, some people like to drink clove tea with cinnamon as well, which is very aromatic and could be a great option for you. Remember that I have a playlist here where I talk more about different types of teas and their health benefits. I'll leave that down below in the description as well. Another interesting detail to mention is that in the specific case of clove tea, some studies suggest that it's better to actually boil the cloves rather than just pouring boiling water over them, which is what we usually do with other teas. So, if you want to get more benefits from it, you can put it in a pot or your kettle with water, let it boil for about 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and cover it and wait another 10 to 15 minutes. So it can really extract those nutrients and bioactive compounds that are naturally present in it. That way, you'll be able to get even more benefits. Remember to like the video because that really helps me a lot, and to share this video with anyone who will enjoy it and who needs it. Let's work together to spread this chain of good, which is what I want for the channel. See you next time. Bye.